All right, good morning, folks. We are talking about how we are going to use the product rule with the property of exponents. The reason I'm taking you through this problem is that there are shortcuts that we can use to help us. No, I don't want you to do this the real long way, so I'm not going to show you the real long way right here. I want to show you with the shortcut, okay? And if you look at this next page, you see that we have some different rules, and the rule we're going to use on top is how to multiply exponents with the same base, and I'm just calling that the product rule. So if you have problems that have the same base but different exponents, we can do the shortcut. We can multiply them quicker by adding the exponents together. So that's what we're doing right there. So let's go back and look at our original expression. And we have negative 4a to the third b to the second times 6a to the third b to the fourth times 3 times a to the negative 2 power. Now, one thing I do want you to look at, you see where we have the numbers. I've got a negative 4 right here, and I've got a positive 6 right here, and I've got a 3 right there. Well, what we are going to do is we're going to multiply those three together to start with. And so to work this problem, at the front, I have negative 4 times 6 times 3. That goes at the front. And then I have my terms with the a. So I've got one a term that has a power of 3 in it. I've got another one with a power of 3 in it, so it's plus 3. And then I've got this other a term with a negative 2. So I'm going to say minus 2 over there. And so when I multiply negative 4 times 6 times 3, I get negative 72. I add my a exponents together. I get 3 plus 3 minus 2. And that would be a to the fourth power. And then the final part is I've got to do the part with the b. So I have to add this 2. And I have to add this 4, and that gets me b to the 6th power. So the simplified version of this stuff in red here, I want to just erase it so you can see. The simplified version of this right here is going to be this problem right here. This is how I use my property of exponents to make it simpler.